Les pattes de devant, elles sont oranges.
These are mangrove crabs or Halloween crabs. They're very important for the mangrove floor because they eat everything that decomposes, like dead animals, like dead small animals or dead leaves, and their poop is a natural fertilizer or natural compost. They're big pinchers. If it breaks, it can regenerate over a year. And what they do is they use the big pincher to cut and get the food close to their mouth and use the little one as a fork.
I think the two are red, no?
Yes. Yes, like light orange.
Like orange, yes.
Very vibrant, almost red, the back legs.
Yes. Wonderful.